Good morning, children. Let us discuss about the geography lesson for agriculture. In previous class, we have learned about the different kinds of the food crops and also the different kinds of beverage crops and fiber crops. And today, let us learn about agriculture development. Agriculture development means the day we are growing the crops, then more we have to think to we should grow the more crops also and depend on the population. Agriculture development refers to efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. So they have to increase the main crops, different kinds of the crops they have to increase to meet the population, to provide the food for the population growth also. This can be achieved in many ways, such as increasing the cropped area, the number of crops grown, improving irrigation facilities, use of fertilizers, and high yield variety of seeds. What the farmer should do it here, and also the government responsibility also. Based on the growth of the population, the farmer should increase the more crops. They have to cultivate the more area by growing of the crops, and also that they have to use the irrigation facilities, that means the drip irrigation to provide the water for plants, for everything also. What they should do, the they have to use and provide the water in proper manner for the plants also. Next one, to give strength for the crops, fertilizers they have to use it, and high yield variety of seeds, HYV seeds they have to use it, and to get the more production. The mechanization of agriculture is also another aspect of agriculture development. The using of the machinery system also, it is the one more development, and using of the more labor and more days with machine they can complete the work in proper manner in less time also. And the mechanization of agriculture is also another aspect of agriculture development. The ultimate aim of agricultural development is to increase food security also. If they are developing the agriculture and growing of the more crops, and they have to increase the food security. Security means the government, why they have to take the food security, because natural calamities, floods, and also the tsunami and earthquakes, when it is taking place, when the government is storing the food, they can provide for where the disaster is taken place. Agriculture has development at different places in different parts of the world. The agriculture development throughout the world also they are developing. And developing countries with large population usually practice intensive agriculture where crops are grown on small holes mostly for substance. So the developing countries, and to meet their population they have to practice intensive agriculture for their family purpose also. And crops are grown on small holdings mostly for substance. Small land they when they are using that for their family purpose also. Large holding more suitable for commercial agriculture. We have learned difference between commercial agriculture, intensive, and shifting agriculture. We have learned in intensive substance agriculture, for their family purpose they use the more labor, for their family purpose only they will grow the crops. But in the commercial agriculture they grow for the more crops, to sell their crops in a place of the market. So the commercial agriculture is in United States of the America, Canada, Australia, and the commercial agriculture to sell their goods in the marketplaces they are especially United States of the America, Canada, and Australia. With the help of two case studies of farms, one from India and other from the United States of the America. Let us understand about the agriculture in the developing and a developed countries. So the how developed countries farming the agriculture and also the how developing countries are farming the agriculture. In tomorrow's class we will learn about the developed countries and also the developing countries, how they are practicing the agricultural system also. Thank you.